Today, we're going to show you how to assemble the climbing triangle. First, lay all of the parts out in front of you. Notice that 7 of the dowels are slightly shorter than the others. Set aside everything except these 7 shorter dowels, the inside legs, and hardware, as you're going to be using these first. Taking one of the inside legs, insert a shorter dowel into the top hole on the leg's inside surface. Next, place a screw into the drilled hole on the outside surface and use the 4mm hex key found in your hardware box to tighten the screw until it is flush with the surface. Note that this task is best done by using one hand to hold the dowel in place while pressing the other end of the dowel up against something solid to assist in the balancing of the parts. Now, repeat this process for the remaining 6 short dowels. Once all the shorter dowels are secured into an inside leg, take the other inside leg and align the unsecured dowels with their corresponding space on the new leg's inside surface. Notice that this is best done on the ground. Tighten the dowels into place using the screw and hex key just as you did on the first side. Now that all the shorter dowels are secured to the inside legs, set this finished component aside. Taking an outside leg and the longer dowels, insert a longer dowel into the top hole on the leg's inside surface. Again, place a screw into the drilled hole on the outside surface and use the same 4mm hex key to tighten the screw into place. Once all the dowels are tightened into place on one side of the outside legs, stop. Unlike with the inside legs, you are not going to secure the other end of the dowels to the remaining outside legs yet. First, grab the inside legs and insert the metal pin on their outer faces into the middle of the sliding slot on the inside faces of the outside legs. As shown here on one side, and again on the other side. Once the peg is in place on both sides, insert the bolts into the aligned holes between each of the outside and inside legs. First, tighten the bolts using your hand, then secure them firmly using the 3/16 hex key. Now that the outside and inside legs have been bolted together, you can align the unsecured ends of the longer dowels into their corresponding spaces on the surfaces of the second outside leg. Secure using the remaining screws and the 4mm hex key. Repeat this process for the remaining dowels. Once all the dowels are secured, your climbing triangle assembly is completed, and you're done. To set up your climbing triangle, first place your foot on the bottom dowel and open the frame until it locks into place. Then stand the triangle up, preferably in a carpeted area or on a rug. If you purchase ramp accessories, all you need to do is place the ramp attachment over the desired dowel height and watch your kids play and grow.